The base of the Great Torrey looks to be buried deep into the seabed, but its back is just plain. The clear painted
기다린 거.